Welcome back to Body Make and Health Management channel. Let's talk cardio fuel. We're going to delve into the crucial role that nutrition plays in optimizing your cardio workouts. It's not just about putting in the miles or the minutes, it's about fueling your body correctly to maximize performance and recovery. I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey to better cardio nutrition. I'm excited to share my knowledge with you today, and today we're diving into what to eat before and after your cardio workouts. We'll explore the best pre-workout snacks to power your performance and the ideal post-workout meals to replenish your energy stores and support muscle recovery. Whether you're running, hitting the pavement outdoors, or logging miles on the treadmill, cycling, whether it's a leisurely ride or an intense spinning class or smashing a HIIT session, pushing your limits with high-intensity intervals, your nutrition can make all the difference. It's the key to unlocking your full potential and achieving your fitness goals. Think of your body like a car, a high-performance machine that needs the right care and attention. It needs the right fuel to perform at its best. Just like you wouldn't put low-grade gasoline in a sports car, you shouldn't fuel your body with processed junk food before a workout. We'll break down simple, practical steps for pre- and post-workout meals, giving you actionable strategies you can implement right away. Plus, touch on fasted cardio. We'll discuss the pros and cons of working out on an empty stomach and help you decide if it's the right approach for you. My goal? To give you the confidence to fuel your body right, making informed choices that support your fitness journey. And get the most from your workouts. We want you to feel empowered and energized every time you lace up your shoes. By the end, you'll know exactly what to eat to boost your energy, sustain your performance, recover faster, minimizing muscle soreness and fatigue, and feel amazing. You'll experience the difference that proper nutrition can make in your overall well-being. We'll even map out a full day of eating, providing you with a sample meal plan to guide your choices, so you can see how it all fits together. This will give you a clear understanding of how to structure your meals for optimal cardio performance. Remember, it's about nourishing your body for a happier, healthier life. It's not just about the workouts, it's about creating a sustainable lifestyle that supports your overall well-being. Let's get started and become cardio machines. Let's unlock your full potential and transform your cardio workouts with the power of nutrition. Chapter 1. Why food is your best friend for cardio. Ever wondered why food is so incredibly important for your cardio workouts? It's not just about calories, it's about fueling your body for peak performance and optimal recovery. Think of food as your strategic advantage. Cardio burns a significant amount of energy, and your body's main fuel source is carbohydrates. These carbs are broken down into glucose, which is then used by your muscles to power through your workout. It's like putting high-octane fuel in a race car. Without an adequate supply of carbohydrates, you're going to feel sluggish, tired, and your overall performance will inevitably drop. Your body simply won't have the energy reserves it needs to sustain the intensity and duration of your cardio session. It's like trying to drive uphill with an empty gas tank. Now imagine attempting a high-intensity interval training, HIIT workout on an empty stomach. Your energy levels will crash and burn very quickly. You'll find yourself struggling to complete the exercises and you won't be able to push yourself to your full potential. But when you approach your workout with a well-balanced meal and a strategically chosen snack, you'll feel strong, energized, and completely ready to tackle any challenge. You'll have the stamina and power to push through those tough intervals and achieve your fitness goals. And after your workout is complete, your muscles are in dire need of protein to repair any damage and grow back even stronger. This is the crucial recovery phase where your body rebuilds and adapts to the stress you've placed upon it. Protein provides the essential amino acids that act as building blocks for muscle recovery. These amino acids help to repair muscle fibers, reduce soreness, and ultimately help you bounce back faster, ready for your next workout. So, to recap, carbohydrates are your primary source of fuel to power your workout, and protein is the key to muscle repair and recovery after you've finished. They work in synergy to optimize your performance and results. Both carbohydrates and protein are absolutely essential for achieving the fitness results you're striving for. They are the cornerstones of a successful training program. Skipping either carbs or protein in your pre- or post-workout nutrition is like trying to clap with only one hand. You might make some noise, but you won't get the full effect or achieve your desired outcome. Fuel up strategically before your workout to maximize energy, and then prioritize recovery afterward to rebuild and grow. It's about working smarter, not just harder, to achieve your fitness goals. And remember, it all starts in the kitchen with thoughtful meal preparation and a commitment to nourishing your body with the right nutrients. Chapter 2. What to eat before your cardio session. Let's talk pre-workout meals. The goal is simple. Top up your energy with easy-to-digest carbs. Avoid heavy foods, fatty foods, or high-fiber foods right before you train. A banana is my go-to, quick, light, and packed with energy and potassium. Eat it 30-60 minutes before your session for a perfect boost. For longer workouts, try a small bowl of porridge or oatmeal with berries. Oats give you steady energy, ideal for longer runs or rides. Timing matters. Snacks need 30 minutes, bigger meals need 60-90. Listen to your body and find what works for you. Step into your workout feeling light and energized. Simple, carb-rich snacks are your secret weapon. Chapter 3. What to eat after cardio. Now let's talk recovery, an essential part of any fitness routine. After cardio, your body needs to refuel, replenishing what was lost during exercise, and repair, rebuilding those muscles. The best combo, protein and carbs, a dynamic duo for recovery. Protein helps your muscles recover and grow stronger, aiding in muscle development. Carbs replenish your energy stores, giving you back what you spent. Try grilled chicken or fish with sweet potato and green veggies. Short on time? A protein shake or Greek yogurt with berries works great. Aim to eat within 2 hours after your workout. This combo reduces soreness and speeds up recovery. Refuel right, and you'll be ready for your next session. Chapter 4. What about fasted cardio? Let's tackle fasted cardio. It's a topic that often comes up in fitness circles, and for good reason. Many people are curious about its potential benefits and how it might fit into their workout routines. Fasted cardio simply means working out on an empty stomach. This usually implies that you haven't eaten for several hours, typically overnight. And it's usually done first thing in the morning, before you've had breakfast. The idea is to tap into your body's stored fat for energy, potentially boosting fat loss. Some people find it helps with fat loss or just feels better for them. They report feeling lighter and more energetic during their workouts. It's generally best for low to moderate intensity workouts. Think activities where you can maintain a conversation. Activities like jogging or brisk walking are ideal. These types of exercises won't overly tax your system when you're in a fasted state, but it's definitely not for everyone. Some people feel weak or dizzy without food. This is because your blood sugar levels might be lower when you haven't eaten, leading to lightheadedness or fatigue. If you decide to try it, make sure to refuel with a good balance of protein and carbohydrates right after your workout. This will help replenish your energy stores and support muscle recovery. Scrambled eggs on toast or a protein smoothie are great options to kickstart your recovery. They provide the necessary nutrients to help your body rebuild and repair. Remember, fasted cardio isn't a magic bullet. The real key to fat loss and overall health is maintaining a consistent calorie balance through a well-rounded diet and regular exercise. So, use it if it suits your body and your lifestyle. But don't feel pressured to do it if it doesn't feel right for you. It's not an essential component of a successful fitness journey. Ultimately, listen to your body and do what feels best for you. Pay attention to how you feel during and after your workouts and adjust your approach accordingly. Chapter 5. A full day of eating for cardio success. Let's see how a full day of eating could look. Imagine a 6 p.m. cardio session. Breakfast porridge with milk, berries, and seeds for slow-release energy. Lunch, grilled chicken salad with colorful veggies and a side of quinoa or whole wheat bread. Snack, 1 hour before workout. A banana for quick energy. Post-workout dinner, baked salmon, brown rice, and steamed asparagus. Each meal balances carbs and protein to fuel your day and recovery. Drink water throughout to stay hydrated. Adapt this plan to your tastes and schedule. Simple, nourishing meals make a big difference. This is how you fuel for cardio success. And there you have it, a simple guide to fueling your cardio workouts. We covered why nutrition matters, what to eat before and after fasted cardio, and a sample day of eating. The key? Listen to your body and find what works for you. Use these examples as a starting point and adjust as needed. Every healthy choice is progress. Don't stress about perfection. You're building habits for a healthier, happier life. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Subscribe for more workouts and healthy recipes. Keep up the great work and stay positive. You've got this. Thanks for watching until the end. See you in the next video.